Mopresidente Ramaphosa o re kgotsofaditswe ke sephetho sa barutwana ba matriki le ha ba ile ba thefulwa ke COVID-19.
Since Bantu education, which really did one of the most terrible damage to the education of our nation, as we've been improving, particularly in poorer schools, and the results are becoming more and more positive.
Mopresidente o re palo ya barutwana ba nyahlatsa sekolo hara nako e tla fokotswa ka ho ba dumella ho etsa dithuto tseo ba di utlwisisang.
If we can provide learners with more choices and better guidance, we should be able to reduce the proportion of learners that drop out. But once we give them more choices, that is when we will, as educators, as parents, as the role players who are given the responsibility to guide these young people, we will know and we will see the signs of these dropout rates.
O re barutwana ba lokela ho rutwa ka tsela e bobebe ho bona ho ithehela mesebetsi ha ba qeta sekolo.
These subjects that include, and I've met a number of them, agriculture, marine and nautical science, electrical, civil and mechanical technologies, amongst others, are the types of subjects that we now want to see spreading in many of our schools.
Mopresidente o re technology e lokela ho sebediswa ho tshehetsa lenane tsamaiso la thuto ka ho ikgetha dibakeng tsa bodulo tsa baahi ba dikojwana di mahetleng.